What's up, frennies? Welcome back to my channel. Bitch! I'm back again with another video, and this time it is another hashtag aaronlaurens. So today I will be reacting to Stray Kids' new song, Thunderous. They're back. The Kings are back. Now let's see if they can exceed the power of God's Menu and Backdoor. I do hope that they will give Lino lines, more screen time to Lino. I have high expectations because, as you all know, God's Menu and Backdoor was a bop. By the way, do you love my cover, my laptop cover? Let me go ahead and search for Stray Kids Thunderous. As of now, it has 12 million views. Hana, dude, set. Ooh, cartoons. Ooh, I love it. Oh, Changbin. I need subtitles. Ooh, Han. Ooh, crop top. Changbin, oh my god. Yeonjin. Sungmin. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, bounce. Ooh, the chest. Oh my god. Ooh, Bangchan is so sexy. Iron. Oh, center Lino. Hello. Felix. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so good. Oh, welcome back, Yeonjin. Oh, Lino again. Oh my god. Han. Okay, Han. We hear you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Mac Day Aaron. Vocal Sungmin, oh my god. Lino, oh my god, center. Woo, Felix. Center Felix. Woo, Bangchan, your abs. Oh my god, Felix. Yeonjin, you look like a girl. Lino. Oh my god. Lino. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not sorry. What was that? What was that? Let me give this video a like. You deserve a like. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nailed it. I mean, Stray Kids, the Kings. They gave Lino a lot of lines and screen time. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, JYP. The other members are given, they're good, but this Thunderous music video and song gave Lino a break. You know, Thunderous, it's Lino's show. Okay? It's Lino's show. Guys, just keep streaming, keep watching. They deserve a lot. They deserve a lot. They are very hardworking. I love them as a group. By the way, my bias is Felix and my bias wrecker is Lino. So I am very happy because they got screen times in line. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment or suggestions. Who is your bias? Comment down below, share your thoughts and opinions, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for future updates. Bye, guys. Peace. 감사합니다. Stand Stray Kids. Bye.